Nothing can steal Renesia's joy, not even cancer. But getting here wasn't easy. About a year ago, Renesia Thomas's life took a turn for the worse after a visit to the doctor revealed she had a mass on her kidney.
Because the pain she was in, they go ahead and remove the right kidney. Later on, the result came back from sick kids that it was cancer.
It was a nightmare. It was the worst nightmare of my life.
Treatment was worse.
It's prefer that you have someone stab me in the back continuously than me doing chemotherapy.
She was hot and cold at the same time. She had fever. She won't eat anything at all. Sleepy. Couldn't walk at one point. Her nails were changing.
Because of this, Renesia, who attends the Mona High School, had to sit out a year shortly after starting the 9th grade. When her hair started to fall out, she had to resort to a wig.
I thought of killing myself because I was tired. Every month I'm going back to the hospital.
Renesia's mother, Melody Martin, says it was in that moment they were left with one option.
I prayed.
After completing radiation last year, they waited with bated breath to find out if the treatment worked. Melody said the doctor called a few days early.
She said, I have some news for you. I got the response from sick kids, and your daughter, Renesia, is cancer-free.
Anxious to share the news, Melody decided to surprise Renesia at her office when she stopped to buy from school.
That's how I started the video. I said, I have something to tell you. And she screamed, she cried. I did have to cut the video because she was like in tears. Tears, I said, you okay? She says, I'm in tears of joy, mommy.
Now given another chance at life, all Renesia does is smile. She's now back to writing poetry and entertaining her friends.
My friends, yes, they cheer me on a lot. Sometimes they don't speak about it or what. We just laugh and talk like regular.
Melody says she admires her daughter's strength.
She's there for me. She knows that I'm alone with her. And she said, Mommy, if I'm down, you are going to be down too. If I cry, you're going to cry. So can't break it down.
Now Renesia has a new mantra. Believe and stay positive.
Trust me, if I can do it, they can do it. Just hold on. That's just it. Just be that positive person.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.